Hey, don't worry. Yes, sir. Quinda.
Yes, sir. Who are you?
Your father sent me here. I'm his lawyer. His instruction was to give you this briefcase. His instruction was not open it. Keep it safe.
But why, sir? What is inside?
Honestly, I don't know what is inside. Maybe you are too young to understand. Keep it safe. But please, trust no one.
I've been fighting shadows in my mind, running circles, losing time. Every smile just hides the pain. Every dawn feels just the same. I built my walls, I played it strong, but I've been breaking all along. The weight is heavy.
If you wanna live, surrender the briefcase.
No, I will not surrender. I want to fight for it. I want to
If you
fight
fight for it, we will die for you.
I will die for it. No, never. Can't be this.
Are you serious?
I'm serious and I'm that serious.
Bring the fucking briefcase.
I will not be.
Generation, we been struggling, wait for sun to crack. All we got was crack.
Warning you for the briefcase. That was mess. Next time, I don't miss. You are messing with something that was never yours. Open.
Speak word. Who sends you?
Let's just say I plead for that place. And if I have to again, I will.
Then plead for it again. I won't surrender it to you, not to anyone.
Don't have time for this.
So cool, walking in peace, yeah. Walking in heaven, they so cool, walking in peace, yeah.
Then, let's see what's so important.
What's in there? Money, diamonds, weapon. What's in there? Something is fish. What's in there? Yeah.
What the fuck? Slow! No, let me call people. I need you, it's important.
Mr. Caswell, you see this agent?
Let me take a sip. This I got there. It's locked. No keys. I need to know what's inside. You're the only one I trust. Help me figure it out.
Do you think it's money or evidence?
I don't know. But everyone has been dying for it, literal.
It is true, you've never seen this one before. I cannot open it.
Do something.
We need the keys.
Then find the keys! Or the person who has it.
Whatever it takes, Mr. Caswell.
Are you okay, babe?
Yes. Are you?
Trying not to be, but they made it very challenging for me. So, you said a gang robbed you.
Yes. He took a good case.
Hey, what's up, bro? You good?
No, that's nice, actually.
But you don't look good. What's wrong?
What was inside it? Money or something dangerous?
I don't know what is inside. It was given to me by my father, and I never opened it. And I have a feeling, a strong feeling that there is something bigger inside, and I don't know what it is.
All my life, you stood by me when no one else was.
Something says the girl just that thing. I robbed the girl just that thing.
What?
She was carrying a black briefcase. Look heavy, like it's just something big inside. I didn't even check it. I just took it and ran away.
So, where's the briefcase?
That's the thing. A guy came out of nowhere, put a knife right to my neck, called steal.
Didn't you chase him?
Chase him, bro. I'm lucky. I still have my neck. That man was kissing my heartbeat.
Something serious in that briefcase.
Can you describe the guy who took it? Maybe I can find you.
I was so nervous, and everything happened so fast, and I don't know what happened. I don't know. I don't remember anything because I didn't see the face of that person. So even now,
Don't worry, babe. I'll find it. I promise.
are you sure about this?
I'm sure.
These lights, they can't blind me with your love.
Boss, Castle got the keys, maybe cheese, maybe gold, maybe sauce, sweet corn.
I didn't invite you to a clown here. Sit down. You fool. No, this side. This is my chair.
Boss, I thought I about to drop a mixtape or start a cooking show.
Shut up, useless man. You talk too much. Focus on what I'm saying. Stop your nonsense.
Okay. No jokes, no clowning, no dancing, no chicken impressions. Serious face now.
This is why I called you. It's locked. I need answers.
Wait. Let me guess. Is it your baby pictures? No. Maybe your failed test from grade 5.
Talkative.
Okay.
Real talk.
What if it's a love letter from your ex who still wants closure? Or it's empty? It's all about a life lesson about greedy and selfish.
Look, I don't know what your story is. Outside here is not about punchlines. It's all about pressure. Case. Anyway, listen, you close your mouth, you open your eyes, your ears must be sharp. Do you get my point?
But you, big bro, I'm like a USB. I might look small, but I hold a lot of files.
No clowning. This mission is not a stage. One jokes, two men. I write you out of the script. Permanent.
Everybody here just hating me. Talk behind my back, I never been a hater. I tried to be real, I showed them love, they broke my heart. Now I'm drowning in fears, just many tears from all those years ago. But no time, bro, just gotta let it go. I gotta share many tears, I gotta share many tears, I gotta share many.
Are you ready for the mission? Was born ready, boss. Yeah, more like you. So what now, boy? We're still waiting for that cloud. Come in. Wait. We're not here for this. We're here for the mission, okay? Stop it. Stop your nonsense.
What the hell?
You're always making jokes.
I'm always making. Boss, I'm gonna kill that boy with you. Tell him to wash his mouth with me.
Hello? What? No. This can't be. You're lying. My brother.
Yuma.
We found him where? Lying in the Thames Bridge. Yeah, man. What's wrong? He killed my brother. My brother's dead. They left his body like trash. Boss, I want blood now. Whoever did this is gonna pay. Let's finish the mission first, then we make them pay.
Oh, maybe they are already part of the mission.
Guys!
What? What if the king is hidden in my heart? And you know, your feelings are not everything these days.
He's done nothing. That's the white with carry. Let's finish
Guys! Stop!
What's going on?
Not again! Maybe it's not meant to be open. Maybe it's not what's inside. Maybe it's what's changed in all of us. What's going on?
Yeah! I said, you forgot something. Remember, Pluma, you silenced him. You think killing the loudest one will keep your secret safe. Sometimes the punchlines is the hardest. I was there that day, I said, hiding in the shadows. I saw you shot Puma. My condolences. Your brother, exactly, left him bleeding, hoping nobody sees him.
You fool! Stop lying! Whatever he's saying, he's lying!
Wait! Here is the proof.
You killed him! You killed my brother! My own flesh and blood! All along you've been using me for your deal. This is how you repay me. You!
Yes, me.
Who are you?
The fool, Castle, who's always talking too much. Guess what's the fool now?
You coward! You think you are here? Are you happy now?
Yes, because the truth was always worth more than your lies. You all thought I was just a joke. A clown. A sidekick! But I've been watching everything from the very start. Sometimes, the one who talks too much. Who sees everything.
Look now.
The one who holds the truth. The truth is inside. Sometimes the noise, it was reveals everything.
Detective.
Yes, I am. I admit. But this time I speak for Puma. Puma was supposed to be. But you needed a sacrifice, Castle, and you made it. Isn't? Yes. Now your choice. Hand over the briefcase to Kevin. We are about to leave now.
You two know each other.
Hey, Brick Bro.
Young man.
There's a problem.
What's wrong?
A gang just robbed a briefcase which belonged to my girlfriend.
Yo. Okay. So
Right now, I need your help.
You need my help.
Yeah.
I don't promise, but I think I can try.
What's your condition?
I know you, young man.
What's your condition?
No killing.
No killing.
No killing people. Promise me. Promise me. Promise me.
No killing.
Deal.
It's a deal.
Let's play our part.
No! Oh! Captain!
No killing.
Right!
No killing. Just a briefcase. Just a briefcase.
Ain't nothing that could come in between me and my brothers. We all around if it's going down. It's just us, all for one. Yeah, you hearin' right, our business done. We disappear into the night. Came up together, so we all down for the fight. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Family ain't nothing strong as that. And I'll be posted where the strong as that. Brothers by my side, city on my back. Real heroes, that's what the people want. They ain't born, gotta create them. Saying we gone soon as we save them. That's part of the plan. By my side, I'ma keep my brothers. Live or die, man, we need each other.